with the Sony 100mm G Master macro lens. They have released this lens after 10 years of releasing the 90mm macro lens. It worth the wait because this has the sharpest image quality I have ever seen. And here, this autofocus, this is impressive. Quite impressive because I have never seen that much of autofocusing in dailies. The reason that I say the rating is worthy because this has the 1 to 1.4x magnification. All the macro lenses came with the 1:1 magnification with Sony, but this time it came with the 1 to 1.4x magnification. And with the 2x converter, which comes for this Sony setup, it becomes like 2.8x magnification, 1 to 2.8x to the sensor image, and that makes very nice images, very sharp images, very beautiful bokehs, and especially about the focus. Always the macro photographers used to use the manual focus. Like always, we use manual focus. You know, in Sri Lanka nowadays, with the monsoon rains and almost everywhere is raining a lot. But this one has the weather sheet. But I avoided rain because I need some more good content. So I came here, but now it's very windy. I was completely out of my mind when see this much of wind. But when getting this to the field, I have no words to say. This has the most extreme focusing I have ever seen. Even in sports photography, even in like, you know, when we shoot a photo of a trigger time, we see the focus in there. We see the object tracking. But I think that this lens has that the most sharpest and most accurate focusing with the autofocusing. And it's very easy to turn back to the manual because we are normally use manual, right? This is autofocus. It's very easy to get back to our old style very fast. That's it. So this is the new G Master. Thanks Sony. Thanks for everything.